Hello, friends. Today I have a totally different episode. It's a great product I'm going to talk about, which is called commonly a bridge loan. What is it used for? For people who wants to buy a upper luxury home or downsize, either way, without selling their home first, so they can make a larger down payment towards a new home. This program allows you to get that money upfront, and I have invited a loan specialist, my favorite, Emilio Hernandez. I've worked with him for 4 or 5 years, and he has done very difficult loans for me too. We will talk to him probably every couple of months and pick up one product at a time. But just to let you know, only not to concentrate on bridge loan, he does all kinds of loan. He also does I-10 loan. So people who don't have social security but have a tax identification number. Actually, that was my first loan with him. So here, let's meet Emilio without any further delay.
Hi, how's it going? How's it going? Hello, everyone. My name is Emilio Hernandez. I am a senior mortgage loan officer with WellBy Financial, formerly known Johnson Space Center Credit Union.
Oh, wow.
And so we're out to really provide home ownership to over 10,000 families in the next 2 years. So we're trying to be very aggressive with the products that we offer and the programs that we give to our clients. And I love the fact that you're bringing me to your show, Sonal, because I really do have a great product to offer you guys. And it is in replacement of the bridge loan because, as you know, Dave Ramsey says bridge loans are not the way to roll. It's not the best option for you. So we do have options for you. So I would love to discuss that in detail. What I have is 100% financing and 105% financing. And this is a conventional product that doesn't offer no prepayment penalty. We have very attractive rates depending on the terms that you are looking to get into. And there's absolutely no hidden catch. We want to make as many homeowners' dreams possible. It doesn't matter if you've already purchased a home before and you're going into your next home and you need assistance, or whether or not that this is your first time home and you're wanting to get a little bit of a push and help into home ownership. We're going to help anybody in this situation, and there's really nothing that will stop you from benefiting from this if it obviously is tailored to you and your scenario or situation.
I have many clients, and I do a lot of selling of the homes. I'm a listing agent. And of course, when you list a home, you know they're buying a new home. And
Yeah.
that new home is sized down because people are tired, they're empty nesters, they don't want such a big home, 4 bedroom, nothing. In fact, with these new trends, having a media room, or just an enclosed flex room and the office, which is becoming like a must in all
Yeah,
homes. The
for
older
sure.
designs, the homes did not accommodate that. Okay, so
Correct.
going back to your product,
Yes.
what is the program called? Is it still called Bridge Loan, or do you call it something else?
So Wellbe, our product is actually called the 100% financing or 105% financing Wellbe Plus, because this product is plus, like great, like something that's out of the ordinary, right?
I agree.
And it's tailored to all of our members. We want you to be a member of ours, and how to do so is getting the mortgage with us. That's how you become a member with us. We have so many other features and benefits of being a Wellbe financial member, but at the end of the day, we're just here to make sure that you are given the best opportunity to get the best pricing. Our deal doesn't carry mortgage insurance, so that's $150 to $250 savings depending on the price point of your house or what you're looking to get into. And so it's very beneficial because it just carries so many positives. It's very hard to bring up a negative in this situation.
Okay, so let's go deeper, dive in deeper in this product,
Yes.
which is WellBe Plus product of 100% financing or
Okay.
105%. What is the minimum credit score required?
So with the 100% financing, the minimum credit score is 660. And with 105% financing, it is 680. So it's very attainable for much of the masses to get this done. Obviously, if you're at a lower rate, we could do some credit exceptions, but only if the deal really makes sense. We want to make sure that we set you up for success. So with you being a 600 or 620 or 580, it may carry a very higher score or interest rate, and it might get you out of the loop. But the idea is we're tailoring to those people that are mid 60s, low sevens, and they have a good paying job that can afford to pay the household.
Also remind all of you as my friends, I call you all family, my audience. There are programs available by almost all these lenders. If your credit score is little less, how can they boost it up within usually 30 to 45 days? And they're very simple moves because people are not aware that sometimes when they use their credit to 50% and 80% of their credit line, their score goes down. But in order to achieve that little boost, they will suggest you the great ideas and you will be ready. So let's jump. Next thing is that who does the appraisal? Can my clients do the appraisal and give it to you? Or once they apply, their hands off?
Yeah, so basically the way that it works is the only upfront cost that you're really doing at the point of purchasing is either giving the deposit for your earnest money, and that's separate. That has nothing to do with the loan. But once I receive your loan, the only thing that comes out of pocket is for you is actually paying for the appraisal fee. The appraisal fee allows us to find a third-party affiliate appraisal company to schedule an appraisal to come out to your home and get the full value of your home. And we base that value on what your loan amount is going to be and whether or not you have any equity built up. Me and Sonal actually have a deal that we have right now currently where the appraisal came back and we actually got our client to get, I believe it was 35,000 in equity. So there's great deals. There's great opportunities to where you can come in with equity on a home, on your investment. And really, there's absolutely no option for us to help you and save you money, because this is what we're here for. We're here to educate, inform, and to make sure that you understand that how the process works. So with the appraisal fee, the appraiser comes, he values the home, and then from there we go based off of that value and we continue on with the closing.
Good. So what it means is, friends, you can buy a new home, regardless whether it's a size down or size up, without selling your home which you live right now. That is a huge plus factor because it saves you putting less down payment, withdrawing from your mutual funds. A lot of people I've seen to put a large down payment in expectation that they're going to get when they sell the house, say $300,000, they withdraw that money from their mutual fund and lose that benefit of earning 10% yield, whatever the interest yield which they're getting, which here, what WellBy is proposing, that they will be giving you that money which you are thinking of selling, and they will match the appraiser's value of opinion of your home, and they will give you the money. Also, earnest money, if you want to roll in some of your earnest money, which you are paying towards your new home, you can roll that into this loan as long as it is up to 105%. And your score minimum has to be 680. So it's a wonderful program. Take advantage of it. As I said, I have several clients already next year who they want to sell their home because the interest rates are doable. But let me even tell you guys, let's ask Mr. Emilio, what is the interest rate in your opinion?
So right now, the ones that have excellent credit and want the most aggressive pricing, we're looking at the mid fours to high fours all day long. We do have other products or situations where people might have like a lesser grade on their credit score, and we're seeing like low fives to mid fives, but we're still very, very under the market because we really, really do want to attain as much home ownership in our members as possible. So we are being very aggressive with our pricing just so that we can beat the competition. And when it comes to me talking to a lot of customers daily, I am beating whatever competitive lenders are out there with their rates. So we are not only trying to provide home ownership at 105 to 100% financing, but we are also providing interest rates to meet that demand. And along with our no mortgage insurance feature, where we waive the insurance of the mortgage, you save yourself an extra $100, $150, $200 even in some cases compared to a FHA product. And so that pays big dividends when you're trying to purchase a $350,000 home, and I can have you under $3,000 on a payment, which just a year ago, you couldn't even imagine doing that. Everything was pretty much a 1% rule of thumb. So $350,000 home with the guy that I was with previously would probably net you a $3,500 mortgage payment, while over here, I'm going to offer it to you at $28.90 a month. That's covering your taxes, insurance, principal, and interest with no mortgage insurance. So it's really a no-brainer when you think about it, because mathematically, if you can get a super lower payment than what your overall sales price cost is, I mean, why would you not want to do it?
All right, I think our time is getting closer, but so one thing I will vouch for all of you. I'm closing a loan for investor in the house. They were getting all the other lenders to give them 6.5% and 7% interest rate, even with paying the points, where Emilio has given 5% interest rate, and it's just amazing. It's a program called 10-6 ARM. So what is a 10-year? The first 10 number represents, it's a fixed price for 10 years. Now, guys, we all know that after that, it will adjust every 6 months. But between now and that 10-year, my client is going to get a call once from Emilio saying, hey guys,
Yep.
this is the time to refinance, because now you can lock that lower rate forever. Emilio will
Yes.
give you that service. Okay, guys?
Yes.
So there is nothing, the product is too good to be true, and there's no caveat as such. There's no risk. So thank you very much, Emilio, for your service. And
Yeah.
can you give your phone number here? And of course, I'll be putting it in the description of my YouTube video. But
Of
if
course.
you can just give them, some people may be writing it. So go ahead and give your phone number.
Sure. My number, and this is my personal cell phone number. You can catch me at any given time of day or night. It's 713-291-5220. Thank you so much for having me on your show, Sonal. It was a pleasure.
So, guys, we will bring him because I think I really liked what he said about the WellBy Financial. It all depends on the company you work with. And I
Yes.
heard they also service their own loan. Is that true?
We service 100% of our loans, meaning that if
Wow.
there's ever a situation that you need to reach out, or you need someone, a department that can help you out with your payment, or, non-payment of, we have our people in the same department, in the same building. We service everything that we back up or stand behind. And it's because we want to make sure, we want to keep you as family. So we're sticking behind our guns when it means what we're offering, and we're also servicing our products. So we're not selling you to somebody else where you have to, every 2 or 3 years, have to talk to somebody new and set up your auto pay, or have to get to know new people, or and stuff like that. Everything stays in the house. So you
Okay,
do.
actually, before I let you go, one question.
Yes.
How do you also have a branch close by, or do they can do everything through online, right?
Yeah, everything is done online, but I do meet with my clients face to face. I do work from home. I'm in the Katy area. I'm available anywhere. I meet clients in League City. I meet with clients in Conroe. It really doesn't matter. I'm here for you guys, whether in person or digitally. Obviously, if we do everything digitally, I can get you an answer a lot quicker, because having everything up front just allows me to bring out or give a pre-qualification out letter in a faster time frame, and it just streamlines the process, so that way we can have everything digitally and nothing, because I don't want to carry any of your proprietary personal information physically, and so
Okay.
that would be the best cause. But if we need to meet personally, and I need to sit down and break it down with you from a face-to-face perspective, I love to do that. I'm an old school guy. I don't mind that at all. But yes, we have different ways of helping our clients.
Okay, so I think that wraps up the whole thing. And all my audience know that I always give a bonus tip at the end, right? So this is your bonus tip. If you go to WellBy Financial for any loans and let me know, I will throw in $1,000 bonus as realtor bonus towards the sale of your closing. And that would come just on top of whatever benefits you are getting for Mr. Hernandez. So bye for now. And stay tuned with my channel, like and subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you. Bye.